Alright, we got a 2019 Bennington SX23. The nice black color and a nice copper stripe on there. Awesome layout with your big, huge sun lounger back here. Yamaha SHO VMAX 115. Push this boat very nicely. Lots of cup holders over here for you while you're hanging out. Huge front porch on this, which is nice. Easy boarding, hanging out at the sandbar. And we do have a bow filler cushion in front of this gate at the moment. Just comes my reach. Some hidden cup holders there. Bow filler gate, seat, which is easily pulled out here. Storage in there as well, but you can slide it right out when you're not needing it. Slides right back in and locks in there really nice. Nice area for a garbage can under here. Same thing with this one. Let's go ahead and push this back. So now we have some seating here all around the table, which is real nice for entertaining. Garmin fish finder, 11-person capacity, kicker sound system, awesome space back here too. Really nice entertaining boat we have here.